If you're looking for the fastest way to clean your stove, I got you. You came to the right place. I've been cleaning for 30 years. I have mastered cleaning fast. So come on, let's go. This is the equipment I use. Fine steel wool 40, a razor blade, all-purpose cleaner, and an oven grill cleaner. And a scrub brush with cleaner inside instead of dish soap. You always assess your stove and see how bad it is. Pre-spray it. So if it just needs all-purpose, just spray all-purpose. If it has a really bad spot, you might want to spray some oven cleaner. Leave that there, let it soak, go clean something else, and then you'll be able to come back to it and it'll make it for a much easier clean. Your stove grates, if they're not that bad, put a dishwashing packet in some water. If they're bad, put them in a trash bag, spray them with oven cleaner, leave them outside. Then after you've let it soak, clean something else, you come back and scrub it with your scrubber. It should just wipe really clean, even the spot that you use the oven cleaner on. And then this is it. So Cindy, hey, this is just a gas stove. What about a glass top? Okay. First, let me tell you about the control panel. Never get that wet. Always just wipe with a damp cloth because I've seen those control panels get damaged with a lot of water. Then you just wipe your stove off and it comes clean. Now, this works on a stainless steel gas stove. This also works on a glass top stove. Same process, just a different stove. It's pre-soak, steel wool, razor blade, oven cleaner. This will clean every stove there is. If you pre-spray it, it'll be easier. But if it doesn't come up on a glass top, get your fine steel wool and a razor blade and scrape it off. I promise you, this works every single time. It'll come sparkling clean. Just remember the tip I gave you. Never get your control panel wet. So this is how you do it, and that'll work perfect every time. Look at that shine. You don't need those special cleaners. This is all you need to do a fantastic job. Always remember to wet your stainless steel. I'm showing you on a white glass top so you can see it a little better. It's hard to see on the black glass tops, but it comes right up, doesn't scratch it. Works perfect every time. But I want to go back to the stove. Okay, this is the one you use oven cleaner on. All I had to do was scrub it. I didn't have to use a steel wool or razor blade, but if I needed to, I could. It came clean. I want to show you about the gas. Okay, when you take those things off the top of the gas igniter, never touch this thing right here because it ignites and you can ruin it. This is where the gas comes out, and these have to be clean so the gas runs out smoothly. Hope you enjoyed this. If you want to see some more back to the basics, cleaning from a pro, the most efficient way to do it, leave me a comment and let me know. I would love to help you out.